The problem was this height is different. So it won't bite the shaft. There's a boss on the back of it. It won't hit that and be tight against and put load on that bearing. It's out a little bit because of that not being up high enough, I guess. Doesn't push against, it must push against that bearing on the inside. So unless I want to rig it up, of which when I do rig it up, it would have to stay, some kind of shim would have to stay inside of there, going up against the bearing. That would be tight and never move and not grind up into dust and take out my bearings in short order. So I'm stuck with those 2 years of rear hubs, of which I cannot find one unless I pay double to triple of what I paid for the fronts. Oh well, I got a couple spare fronts.